Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is Mullvad and Namecheap VPN. So to get started with a quick overview, Mullvad is a privacy-first VPN based in Sweden, praised for its strict no-log policy, anonymous sign-up, and open source app. It is cut-edge WireGuard technology for fast, stable connection, with offering one of the most secure and transparent VPN experience in the market. Then talking about the Namecheap VPN on the other side, which is built on the stack part of the formerly known as IPVanish infrastructure, offer an affordable and beginner-friendly VPN option. While it covers the basic well, it lacks the privacy features and the trust level that advanced users might look for. Now here was the downside and the downside of these two platforms. So talking about the Mullvad downside, no dedicated streaming option which support. So this platform doesn't really support or have the unblock service for Netflix, and also there's no native iOS app required manual setup for third-party app. Then talking about the downside for the Namecheap, it is based in US and has a less favorable privacy jurisdiction, and also no independent audit or open source app. Those are the limited transparency and a fewer advanced privacy features. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. If you want a true privacy anonymous access and a strong open source credibility, just go for Mullvad. Then on the other side, if you need the pocket-friendly, easy VPN for casual use without advanced privacy need, just go for Namecheap VPN. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.